Okay, just received the screen ahead of schedule, which is nice, and it's for this Gateway MX6442. So as you open up the notebook, go ahead and remove these rubber buttons at the four corners, plus the two buttons at the center. As you can see, there are screws underneath. Carefully separate the halves of the screen bezel, screws on each side. Remove cover, metal shield. Remove the two side screws. Peel back the tape to disconnect here and behind the screen here. Peel back the tape here, here, and disconnect the connector. Once in place, reassemble in reverse order. Success!